step number 1, click to play a video. Step 2, watch the video for 60 seconds. And step 3, you can cash out your earnings starting today. And boom, as simple as that. So right now, I want you to take a look at all of these real payment proof right here at people from all over the world. They are making money online by simply watching videos. So look at this. This is refreshing every 10 seconds right now. People making $5, $15, $20, or even up to $50 US. And all they do is just by watching simple videos just like this. So here is how much money you can earn from just watching one video. You can earn 71 cents. So right now, when you watch 10 videos, you can earn $7.10. When you watch 50 videos, you earn $35. And you watch 100 videos, you can instantly earn $71. And all you need is just a mobile phone, and you can watch the video for absolutely free without any investment. So first of all, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and then I'll show you which video that you must watch that's gonna pay you the most amount of money. And not only that, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this, and I'll give you a lot of bonus tips that can help you to make even more money online, so make sure you don't miss out on that. So before we get into this video, can you do me a quick favor? Can you please scroll down below and help me to like this video? That means a lot to me, and you're absolutely amazing. That being said, let's get into the video. So in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how you can watch a video just like this, and you can get paid over and over again. So right now, first of all, I want you to go on to this website right here, which is zoombucks.com. As you can see here, now this is where you can earn cash online by simply watching videos and TV shows, just like what I show you right now. And right over here, you can see people from all over the world. They're actually making money right now by simply watching videos. So right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from, so that I can create more videos in your region in my future videos. So once they finish watching the videos, they can actually cash out their earnings in many different payment methods. As you can see here, this is a live earning where they update every single minute, but they show you very transparent how much money people are actually earning and actually cashing out. So right now, this is basically how it works. Now first of all, I'll show you how you can sign up for a free account. And step number 2, you have to find a channel to watch the TV show and videos, and you can make money. And once again, make sure you keep watching, because I'll show you the highest paying channel that you have to watch so that you can earn the most amount of money. And step 3, just click and watch the video for at least 60 seconds and you can actually get paid. So once again, when you go on to the homepage of this website, I want you to just put in your email address, your password, and confirm your password, and just go ahead and click on this sign up button. So right now, once you log in into your Zoombucks account, you can see how much money you're actually earning right on this website. And also when you scroll down below here, you can see they're actually posting up how many people are actually making money and cashing out their money right here on this website, and they're super transparent about it. And then right here, you can actually see the leaderboard and see who are actually making a lot of money right here on this website. For example, this guy right here making $200 and this guy $281. So right here, when I click on this button on top, which is watch videos, and when you scroll down below here, you can see watch videos, and there are over 358 videos that you can watch right now and actually make money online. So I want you to go and click on this link right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page as you can see here. So right now, when you click on the country button, you can actually find different countries videos that you can actually watch right here on this website. And they even show you what's the most famous TV channel right now, and there are over 1,195 users right now online, and they're actively watching the video. People from India, from Pakistan, from Nigeria, from Ghana. There are people from all over the world. They are making money right here on this website. So right now, I want you to go in and click on this button right here, which is News TV in English, and then you're gonna come over to this page as you can see here, where you can find different channels that you can actually watch for 60 seconds and you can cash out your money. So right now, I want you to focus on this channel because English language, they actually pay you the most amount of money. So say for example, if you want to watch this video, just go and click on this link right here, and then they're gonna pop up this new page as you can see here, where you can watch the ABC News in English language. So all you gotta do is just go and click on this play button right here. So as you can see here, this is a live TV show right here on this channel. So usually what I will do is that I'll actually mute the video. As you can see here, I'll just actually off and close the volume of this video and I'll let it play for 60 seconds. Okay, you don't have to actually do anything, just let it play for 60 seconds. So right now what I want you to do is to go back to the previous page just now and go ahead and click on the next video. For example, this one, Africa News. Just go ahead and click on this link, and then right here the same thing, you're gonna go on to the second video as you can see here. So right now I'll just go ahead and click on the play button, as simple as that. And this is very powerful because you can actually watch multiple videos at the same time so that you can actually maximize and earn double or triple amount of money. So this is the first bonus tip that I want to share with you. As you can see here, I actually open up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos and watch them at the same time. So right now I want to give you the second bonus tip, is that when you're watching this video, I want you to go and click on this gear setting button right at the bottom, and I want you to change the playback speed from normal to actually double. So by doing that, you can actually earn double amount of money faster. And once again, another bonus tip is that you can actually change the quality of the video to the lowest settings, as you can see here, to 144p. So say for example, if you are playing 5 videos at the same time, your internet speed might not be able to support that because it's actually a live stream video. So by changing the quality to the lowest, you can effectively save your internet connection and watch more video faster by changing the playback speed to actually double, as you can see here by clicking on number 2 right here. So right now I want to give you another special bonus tip for some of you guys who are still watching. Now if you are still watching right now, please comment down below I am a champion, because you are absolutely amazing. So right now I want you to go and click on this country button right here, and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom, and I want you to click on here USA 107, and that's gonna take you to this page where you can find TV channels from the United States. And the reason why is because these are the highest paying channels that you can actually watch them and earn double amount of money. So say for example, if you wanna watch this channel, which is Las Vegas, so just go ahead and click on this link right here, and then you're gonna come over to this video and just do exactly the same thing by just clicking off the volume and change the playback speed and the quality of the video. So that's exactly how all of these guys right here, they can click and play and watch a 60-second videos and actually making money online.